Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about human blood and its components. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that transports oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and other important things in our body from head to toe. The amount of blood in the human body is generally equivalent to 7% of body weight. There is an average of 5 to 6 liters of blood in human body. Blood travels along vessels to reach every system of the body and carry out its crucial functions. Blood mainly consists of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Plasma makes up 55% of blood content. Plasma is 92% water and the contents of the remaining 8% include carbon dioxide, glucose, hormones, proteins, mineral salts, fats and vitamins. Red blood cells are shaped like slightly indented, flattened discs and transport oxygen to and from the lungs. Hemoglobin is a protein that contains iron and retains the oxygen until its destination. The lifespan of an RBC is 4 months and the body replaces them regularly. Amazingly, our body produces around 2 million blood cells every second. White blood cells make up less than 1% of blood content. White blood cells flow through our bloodstream to fight virus, bacteria and other foreign invaders that threaten our health. The normal number of WBCs in the blood is about 4,500 to 11,000 WBCs per microliter. These interact with clotting proteins to prevent or stop bleeding. There should be between 150,000 and 400,000 platelets per microliter of blood. Red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets are produced in bone marrow before entering the bloodstream. Blood has a number of functions that are central to survival, including supplying oxygen to cells and tissues, providing essential nutrients to cells such as amino acids, fatty acids and glucose, removing waste materials such as carbon dioxide, urea and lactic acid, protecting the body from infection and foreign bodies through the white blood cells.